Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 8th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound yen, all week long, I've been saying we should be looking for longs unless we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. Definitely do not have a break of structure to the downside at a Fib level this whole way up. We are sitting at the 78% right now. If it does like a double top right here, like this, and then breaks structure, that would turn me back into a bear. Otherwise, I would be looking at anything I see to the downside because the most recent structure is way down here. I would be looking at anything I see to the downside is likely just another pullback within an uptrend. This very easily could go up and make new highs on the 4 hour and daily time frame. So definitely still recommending longs in an uptrend at the end of pullbacks. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.